Hi fam, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. I am Amzulin K and I do organization, motivational cleaning videos, decorating, self-care and everything home. If that sounds like you, consider subscribing and join the family. As you can tell already by the title, I'm going to be cleaning and giving my guest bathroom a little makeover. It's not the kind of makeover where you have to crack the walls, crack the tiles. No, none of that. So I just wanted to have it more functional, and under the sink I felt like it was empty and wasted. So I needed some cabinet or kind of under the sink storage system. You guys know I like to have a room for every single item. That just makes your house so organized, and this is how it's gonna look at the end. The kids and their dad are gonna be fixing the cabinets while I go ahead and clean the bathroom. So let's get started.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again, again. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in.
Alright, so once the shower was clean, I went on to check on the kids and the dad to see how far they've gone with fixing or assembling the cabinet, and they were having fun.
Deep like an overdose, you're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes.
The short one is going to be under the sink. That way I will have under the sink storage kind of thing where I can store all my detergent and just cleaning stuff. And the tall one or the long one is going to be right here. So I can pack some hand towels, lotion and stuff like that. Is going to be right here. Once my husband and the kids are done assembling them together, they're going to be bringing them in here. So can't wait.
You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. losing sleep. I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You dug in deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the.
And yes, I was using my hands to mop the floor. That's just something I like to do most of the time instead of using the mopping stick. And I went on to check on them again. And this time around, they were halfway done assembling the cabinets.
Distortion again, again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it.
And the bathroom was all cleaned and the cabinets are fixed. It looks so much more better now with the cabinet in there. Guys, sometimes you just need to add a very tiny detail and everything just change. I love, love, love the way everything turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and store some bathroom essentials.
You and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep. I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Alright fam, so hopefully this has given you some kind of ideas to go ahead and switch your bathrooms or any part of your home a little bit, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
You and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep. I